So today morning, one of my very old client reconnected with me, and she just shared her experience. And of late, she had just broken up with her boyfriend, and she was into a very toxic relationship, and she was very much attached to him. Though that breakup was very painful, but she had to take that call because she was not able to handle that person, because that person was narcissist, and she was suffocated in that relationship. So she came back asking to me that how to deal with this situation, because she wants to detach herself from this entire episode. She wants to overcome and let go all those painful memories and trauma that she had gone through in that relationship. So I just told her one thing, healing takes its own time, and if you really want to let go that painful memories, then you need to understand where you had surrendered in this entire relationship. A narcissist makes you powerless. He or she tries to control you. They make you feel inferior, and they lower your self-esteem, your confidence, and you are totally depending on them. Actually, they are the one who are codependent on you for everything, but they will always gaslight that way, that you are depending on them, and without them you are nothing. And that relationship actually becomes a toxic, and after some time it loses its charm, and you realize that this relationship is not serving you nowhere. Whether you're married to a narcissist, or you're with your partner, or you have a narcissist friend, you realize that the opposite person has made you so powerless that you are not even able to trust your own intuition. So when my friend had just approached to me, and she was talking to me about how to deal with and how to detach, I just said, first of all, you don't need to go in depth and to understand why this all has happened with you. Rather step back, and if those memories are coming, just witness and realize what lessons you have learned from those bitter experience. And you need to work on yourself, and you need to regain your own confidence, because you had given your power to the person and you made yourself powerless. So now it's time to get back into your own power. You need to connect with your own self, and you need to be yourself once again, so that you have to boost your own self-esteem. You have to keep motivating yourself. So to deal with a narcissist is not an easy task, but if you are in a narcissist relationship and you have been totally controlled by this person, and you are serving in this relationship, and the opposite person has not even bothered or shows any empathy towards you, that's as a sign that you need to step out from this relationship. You need to understand and take step backs, and take your call. Take help from therapists, friends whom you can trust, and can open up and talk to them about the relationship that you are into, and give yourself time to heal from this situation, because you had given your precious time in this relationship, and it is not easy, but it requires baby step. It all requires baby step. So you can just sit back with yourself, and if those memories are coming and you still feel attached, you get emotional, and you just crave to go back to this person, then just ask yourself, where was I in that relationship? And once you get your answer, that means it is very clear that you are nowhere. You are just feeding a narcissist to their ego, and you had just lost yourself in this relationship. A healthy relationship is where two individuals give respect to each other. They don't make each other feel powerless. They give them freedom to be who they are. So be in a relationship where you can be yourself, not with someone who just controls you and you just have to constantly feed their ego for anything. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any insights that you would like to share, you can mention it in the comment box. Let people know about it. And if you are going through this similar situation where you're into a relationship that you're with a narcissist and you want a help or guidance, please approach any healer, therapist. You can connect with me. We will talk about it, and we will understand how to work on this, and how to make you heal yourself, and make you feel make you empowered, make you feel powerful, and make you regain all your lost confidence back. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and you can share this video with all the people who are going through the similar situation, and this might motivate them, and they might feel better, and they can get a lot of confidence and encouragement, and they can open up and talk about if they are in this sort of relationship. Till then, you guys take care. Atma Namaste to all.